Hi everyone, my name is Barbara. I'm the owner of Spanish for Kiddos and Craft for Kiddos. And today I want to share The Little Sheep, La Pequeña Abejita, which is part of our Spanish starter sets for reading. Or if you want to know more about bilingual stories, you can visit our SpanishForKiddos.com/shop to learn more about. And I'll include all the details at the end of the video as well. So let's begin with the story. The sheep runs, la oveja corre. The sheep jumps over the fence. La oveja salta por la cerca. The sheep is far away from the tree. La oveja está lejos del árbol. The white sheep is behind the barn. La oveja blanca está detrás del granero. The white sheep is in front of the barn. La oveja blanca está enfrente del granero. So in this very simple story, as you can see, it goes through several different types of position words, action words, and different types of ways that you can see the English and Spanish versions there. So let's take, for example, this part because it's a great way to learn as you are doing maybe an activity. So for instance, if you were going to be talking about this part of the story where the sheep is far away from the tree, la oveja está lejos del árbol, and so all I have simply is two pieces of construction paper, one blue and the green, of course, is grass, and the sky here is blue. And then I have these cute little cutouts that you can do, and the best part here is that you can use the sheep to navigate through here, which you can do in front and frente, and then different types of position words that you can do there. So in this case, la oveja está lejos del árbol. You can go lejos del árbol. So one of the things that I have here, I made a small slit there that you can do it this way as well. So you can go, la oveja está lejos del árbol. And then you can point that out as you are working through or as you are interacting with the words in here. So here's the other part of the barn where the little sheep is behind the barn. La oveja está detrás. La oveja blanca está detrás del granero. So here you can place her behind, detrás. And then the next one here is in front, which we just did in front. So many ways that you can do that, all different ways to encourage bilingual learners to learn all these different types of position words. And of course, they are part of different types of Spanish sight words as well. So just very easy, very quick. And of course, in the starter set, there's lots and lots of more stories there. They're very short. They're very beginning starter so that you can develop as you are moving along. And then intermediate and of course, advanced levels, there are more stories and they have, of course, more context, more words to learn, and a lot more to learn in English and Spanish. So thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you join me for another fun bilingual story. Bye-bye, everyone.